A car is moving straight at high speed on the road. Suddenly, another car cuts in from the side without warning. Both cars collide with a loud crash, causing serious damage.
Oh my God.
An already damaged car is standing in the middle of the road. A speeding car fails to stop in time and crashes straight into it. The impact causes sparks to fly, lighting up the scene with flashes and smoke. A van starts moving with its trunk, accidentally left open. Suddenly, a box slides out and falls onto the road behind it.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my God! Woo! Oh shit! Oh my God!
A car tries to speed away to escape from the police, but the police quickly block its path, stopping the getaway.
Continue straight through the roundabout onto Lego City.
A van is moving straight on the road when another vehicle suddenly tries to turn in its path. Luckily, the driver reacts quickly and steers away, avoiding a crash just in time. A car is turning on the road without noticing the vehicle behind. Suddenly, a speeding car from the back crashes into it, causing a loud collision.
No manches. Cute. A la mecha.
Okay. Ooh, there's a big fucking hole right there. Ah! Shit! Stop!
A car suddenly comes in front of another without noticing. The driver brakes just in time, and thankfully, nothing happens. A car is speeding down the road when a van suddenly comes in its way. The car crashes into the van with a powerful impact, causing a major collision. A car speeds forward and passes smoothly under a tall truck due to its high clearance. The daring move shocks nearby drivers but ends without incident. Two cars collide violently at an intersection, causing debris to scatter across the road. The entire incident is captured clearly on a dash cam. A fierce fight breaks out between two people, escalating quickly. One of them tries to escape, but a car chases him down the road at high speed. A car attempts to cross the railway tracks, but gets stuck midway. Within seconds, a fast-moving train slams into it, causing a devastating collision. A car is floating in rising floodwaters, slowly drifting with the current. Its headlights are still on, reflecting eerily on the water's surface.
Open up the thing, and I didn't get hard. And I want to say that's a great
Wow, congratulations. It also seems like they really captured her. Double buried her. Cremated.
In a quiet parking area, a person suddenly accelerates his car toward a man standing nearby. The man notices just in time and jumps out of the way. Tires screech as the car narrowly misses him. Panic spreads among bystanders as the situation unfolds.
Oh, he's just gonna go buy him.
Oh, come on. His life was just...
A car gets into a minor collision with another vehicle. Shockingly, the impact causes the other car to flip over and crash onto the road.
Volgens Maren en Hoevenlaak is het 10 minuten. Het heeft te maken met een